So some of you are in a website where you're having numerous calls to action. I don't want to expose so many websites right now. But you're having numerous calls to action. Oh, you're having your about, you're having your podcast. Wait. That's not it. Okay? Everything, look, everything free, everything where at the end of it, look at it. I didn't even look at Netflix when I was doing this. Everything you put it at the footer. You want someone to be able to take one single step. So this is it. This is the old website. See? Very, they try to do it, but this is it, but it wasn't intriguing enough. Now let me show you what I was able to do with, okay, this is mine. You see that I'm applying the same thing. This is mine. Okay, this is the one I did. So I was able to change this one that you're seeing here, this to this. So if you see, there is a call to action with a visual, compelling visual as a hero. Manage your school from anywhere in the world. They're offering software that allows you to be able to manage finances, track real-time engagement, results, examinations, exams, anywhere. Just managing your school from the comfort of your home. So one thing is consistent that you see here is what? Request demo, call to action. Again, you move, request demo. Reading and about, request demo. You move down, request demo. You move down, request demo. It is not by mistake, it's deliberate. And it's not how you're seeing request demo. You want to request demo. And guess what? If you come to click request demo here, let me tell you what you're going to see. Okay, so this is it. Request demo, this is it, this is it, this is it. All right. If you click request demo here, what's going to happen is that you have to put in your name and your email to be able to access it. Okay. And with that, I can retarget and remarket you on free marketing, email marketing. I'm even going to get your phone number and send you an SMS. That's it. I don't need to run no sponsored ads again to retarget you. So a lot of people have, I can literally show you. So mention any website right now. Just mention any website and go see, this is not what they're doing. So you come to about because I want you to be able to know who I am if you have any question. And maybe you want to contact me to talk directly. Everything is conversion based. Everything is conversion based. And then you request demo. Don't give your users so many energy trying to consume who you are, or trying to, they have already burned a lot of calories trying to assess and validate who you are. No, make it easy for them to validate who you are and take action. There is a lot of energy that is being wasted around. So just the easier it is that you make them to take action, the more conversion level you'll be having.